HR.
Human resources. UN, United Nations. AM, anti-meridian. Okay, okay. IQ,
Intelligence quotient.
XL, extra large. PC, personal computer. UP,
Uninterruptible power.
EQ, emotional quotient. ID, identification. OMW, on my way. AKA, also known as. ILY, I love you.
IDC. I don't care.
HMU, hit me up. YW, you are welcome. OTP, on the phone. BRT, be right back. IKR, I know, right? 143 means I love you. NEI, anyone.
B2B.
Back to back. 121, 121. WVU2, love you too. F2F, face to face. 2EZ, too easy. Thank you. Thank you. This means wait.
This means
Before. This means today. This means later. This means mate. This means bye for now. This means thanks. This means tomorrow. This means late. This means for you. This means thank you. This means got to go. This means see you later. QQ, quick question. PFP, profile picture. SUP, what's up? TYT, take your time. Are you okay? Are you okay? YGM, you got me. YO, hey, hello. WIE, whatever. RT, real talk. Foreign, native. Construct, ruin. Advance, restrict. Bright, dim.
compulsory.
Optional, maximum, minimum, encourage, hinder, harsh, gentle.